Welcome to Ha Long Bay, where emerald waters, towering cliffs, and timeless stories await your journey.
As I step onto the cruise, the sea breeze greets me, and Ha Long Bay unfolds like a dream.
As the boat sets sail, the first limestone giants rise before me, Yinsporo, ancient guardians of Ha Long Bay.
I hold my ticket tightly, not just paper, but a key to unlock the wonders of Ha Long Bay. The rhythm of the sea beats against the boat, a heartbeat guiding me deeper into Ha Long's wonder. Laughter and excitement surround me. We're all strangers, yet united by the magic of Ha Long Bay. As the boat sails deeper, the limestone guardians close in, leading me into Ha Long's hidden world. High above, sea eagles soar tat, silent kings watching over Ha Long Bay. With each paddle stroke, I slip deeper into Ha Long's emerald embrace. I glide into the shadows 6, a hidden doorway leading me deeper into Ha Long's secrets.
Beyond the cave, a secret lagoon appears, or nature's sanctuary, untouched and timeless.
A floating village drifts on the water, a simple life, yet full of warmth and smiles.
A Vietnamese fisherman shares his fresh catch cassis, a moment of simple life filled with generosity.
A young Vietnamese girl sings with joy and her laughter brighter.
Over a cup of green tea, I taste the warmth of Vietnamese hospitality on the waters of Ha Long. As I hold the rope, the water mirrors the cliffs, a timeless dance between land and sea.
I step into Sot Cave, where every stone whispers stories millions of years old.
Above me, nature's sculptures glow and dragons carve. I touch the stone, cool and damp, a silent reminder of eternity. Around me, gasps of wonder clerics. We are all children again, inside nature's cathedral. From the cave's shadow, I step back into the light tone. Ha Long awaits beyond the stone gates.
As the sun melts into the horizon, I raise my glass to Ha Long's endless beauty.
Laughter and joy fill the deck, Istavrinlit. Strangers become friends under Ha Long's sunset glow. The sun disappears behind the cliffs Trumbull, yet its fire lingers across the bay. I taste Vietnam's flavors. Clements Tolet, a crispy spring roll, rich with tradition and warmth. A royal feast of the sea taud. Every flavor of Ha Long laid before me. Lanterns glow on the dark sea. Tonight, I join the fishermen of Ha Long. From the depths, a glowing squid emerges trilled. The ocean shares its secret with me tonight.
Through my cabin window, Ha Long sleeps, umble, moonlight painting silence across the bay.
With a warm cup in hand, I sip the night to Smurus. The moon writes poetry upon the water.
The waves cradle me to sleep. Ha Long whispers its lullaby through the night.
At dawn, I open the door to mist and light flife. Ha Long awakens in quiet beauty. With each sip of coffee, the sunrise tastes richer Tessurus. A new day blooms over Ha Long Bay. As the morning sun rises, I join the flow of Tai Chi, body and spirit in harmony with the bay. I breathe in the misty air found. Every breath feels like the first morning on earth.
The morning sky dances on the water Trumbull, Ha Long's beauty doubled in reflection.
From the bow, I see the harbor ahead, Foth, a gentle reminder. With smiles and a flag waving in the breeze, The farewell feels simple, natural, and full of heart.
Together we shout,
See you again in Ha Long!
carrying memories that will last a lifetime.
If you enjoyed this journey, leave me a comment, Fudo. Tell me where you'd like to travel next, and I'll take you there.
Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. More journeys and adventures are waiting for you.